Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the center stage auto zoom on iPhone 17 in 2026. Now, if your camera keeps automatically zooming in and following your face during video calls or recordings, this guide will help you turn it off quickly. So first of all, you need to open the camera application of your iPhone. In the camera application, you just have to look for this particular icon here on the top. After clicking on this particular icon, this type of menu will be opened in front of you. Now, as you can see, you are going to see the auto zoom option over here. So this particular option, you need to simply just turn it off and you are good to go. Now, if you are facing any kind of problem while doing this, you can also go to the settings of your iPhone 17. There you can just simply look for the option of camera. Inside the camera settings, simply look for the option of the center stage. And when you just simply find it, simply tap on it and click on the option of turn off. So once it is turned off, the iPhone will stop automatically zooming and tracking your face during video. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.